Welcome back, my fellow financial freedom seekers. It's always a pleasure to have you here on our channel. We all know the struggles of chasing financial freedom, don't we? It's not a smooth road, and it's certainly not one size fits all. In fact, we've all faced unique challenges along the way. These hurdles, whether they're related to debt, a lack of savings, or not knowing how to invest, can make us feel stuck and frustrated. The first step in breaking free from these struggles is to debunk some common myths. There's a misconception that you need a massive income or a windfall to achieve financial freedom. The reality is that it's about making the most of what you have. It's about understanding the power of budgeting, saving, and wise investing. Let's talk about budgeting, a word that often intimidates people. But here's the truth. A budget is your financial roadmap to freedom. It helps you track your income and expenses, allowing you to prioritize your financial goals. It might not be glamorous, but it's an essential tool on the path to financial freedom. Saving money is another vital step. While it's tempting to spend every dollar we earn, it's essential to set aside a portion for your future. By saving and investing wisely, you're building a safety net and allowing your money to work for you. Now, let's get to investing. Investing can seem like a complex world, but it doesn't have to be. Diversify your investments, consider low-cost index funds, and educate yourself on your options. The power of compound interest can't be underestimated, and it's a game changer when it comes to building wealth. Debt can be a huge obstacle on the path to financial freedom. But don't lose hope! There are strategies to manage and reduce debt effectively. By creating a repayment plan and making extra payments when possible, you'll be on your way to financial freedom sooner than you think. Along with managing expenses, consider exploring additional income streams. In the digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn extra money, from side hustles to online businesses. By diversifying your income sources, you're adding more fuel to your financial freedom journey. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, follow channels like ours, and seek advice from experts. The more you know, the more confident you'll be in making informed financial decisions. Now, let's talk about a crucial element that often gets overlooked but is key to your financial journey: setting clear, achievable financial goals. These goals act as your guiding star, providing direction and motivation for your financial decisions. They serve as a roadmap that defines the milestones you want to achieve on your path to financial freedom. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. For instance, rather than saying, "I want to save money," set a specific goal like, "I want to save $5,000 within the next 12 months." This clarity helps you stay focused and measure your progress. Setting financial goals isn't just about stating what you want to achieve, but also understanding why you want to achieve it. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, knowing your why can be a powerful motivator. It's the driving force that will keep you on track even when faced with challenges. Now, let's dive deeper into the significance of understanding your why when it comes to financial goals. Your why is the emotional anchor that keeps you committed to your objectives. It's the passion and desire that make those goals feel real and attainable. For example, if your goal is to save for your children's education, your why might be ensuring they have the best opportunities in life. If you're saving for an early retirement, your why could be the freedom to travel, pursue hobbies, or spend more time with loved ones. When challenges arise, and they will, your why acts as a source of motivation. It reminds you of the bigger picture, helping you push through setbacks and stay committed to your financial journey. It's the emotional fuel that keeps you going when the going gets tough. Staying motivated in your pursuit of financial freedom is essential, but it's also crucial to understand that setbacks can and will happen. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses or financial hiccups can temporarily disrupt your plans. It's essential not to be disheartened when these moments occur. Rather than viewing setbacks as failures, see them as learning opportunities. Evaluate what caused the setback and use it as a chance to adjust and improve your financial strategy. Remember that financial freedom is a journey, and setbacks are just detours, not roadblocks. Stay adaptable and remember that your financial goals are long-term commitments. If you need to make adjustments, that's perfectly okay. Your financial plan should evolve with your life circumstances. The key is to keep your why in mind, maintain your determination, and adapt your approach as needed to keep moving forward. To wrap up, financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's an attainable reality. By budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, diversifying income, educating yourself, and setting and achieving clear financial goals, you can break free from the money-making struggles that hold you back. It's all about making smart financial choices and staying committed to your goals. Remember, every step you take toward financial freedom brings you closer to the life you desire. So take action today and don't let those money-making struggles hold you back any longer. You've got this! Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on business and finance. We're here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, take care and keep working towards your financial freedom.